I have to be louder?
Stand up. This shit 400 degrees.
Knock, knock, bitch, I'm at your door. Get you pop, pop. On my son, bitch, I'm the shit. It don't stop, stop. This shit hot, hot. Ain't no thought. You are.
Hey exclusive baddies, welcome back to my channel. So this video we are going to become a baddie, a quarantine baddie. I know we all are tired of being ugly during this time, and I decided to make a video getting cute, so let's go. So now you want to take this stuff and take the little nail, dip it in here just a little bit because this is a lot. And what I'm doing is I'm just putting it in here. I'm gonna take the nail. I gotta hang this off because I have one hand, so I'm just gonna press it down like that. See? And stick your hand in there. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. And voila, it is on. So now that we did that part, put that to the side. We don't need this anymore. And I have these fake flowers. They're in here, I don't know if you see. I'm gonna take the flower. Yeah.
I just seen a classic song and laughing when the birds just grabbed me.
Really?
He was laughing. It was a classic.
I got this from AliExpress. Like, I ordered like a month and a half ago, and it just came like last week. So I soaked it in water. Someone said to soak it in like 100% alcohol, but I'm not doing that. I'm taking a top coat. So sorry. The footage of me doing the pink, it got cut off. So basically all I did was like 3 layers, but I just kept going up so it can be ombre looking. You know, you see ombre, like it goes light pink to dark pink. And I did a little liner. So, I should not have put these nails on until I did my hair, you know? This is a freaking struggle. And I haven't finished it because I need to film this part of the video. So yeah, I need to show me putting the nail on, broom, and painting them and stuff. So that is why this hand isn't done yet. But this is hard with nails. Like, let me just show y'all how I'm doing this. So what I'm doing is you know, the regular split in half, like so. And then so I'm taking my piece of hair, and my piece of hair, you know, it's not huge because I don't want them to be super fat because they're gonna uncoil anyways. So this is the hair. I'm putting it right in the middle of the thing I just parted, and trying to make it even because I'm gonna make it even. So with that being said, that's there. You see this piece right here? I gotta clip it down to even twist. It's like a legit struggle. Yeah, my mom has to come help me because I was supposed to do this myself, but yeah, no, it's hard to do. So then you take this side, since I got this clipped down and can't move, I can twist it outwardly until I feel it tight on my roots. That's good. And then I'm gonna hold it, unclip this, and I don't see how people would do this without. Flip it over here, and then start twisting this side, which is so hard to do. Hold on, let me see. So, this is so hard to do. And so I'm twisting the other side the other way until it's tight to my scalp. Never will I ever do this hairstyle with nails. If I didn't have nails, this would be so much easier. Plus, this is the first time I'm ever doing this style, so I don't know why I thought I could do it. So yeah, so then you just start twisting them. You gotta watch, because I'm gonna link some people that did this professionally. That was better, that helped me explain to me how to do it, because this was so hard. So let me see. Okay, yeah. So I have a lot of baby hairs, because I've been pulling out my hair and it's like looking real bad. So that's that, whatever, I'm gonna deal with it. And yeah, so I'm gonna try to do another one, but it's so difficult to explain. Like it's difficult. It's difficult to explain and it's difficult to do. Like yeah. So I'm just taking some more of that. I got some of this stuff. I'm gonna be edge effect. It's like a little thingy. I'm gonna take some of that. Even though I'm twisting them, like I'm making them little, you see, like they're kind of like, I don't know. Hopefully it all turns out and it looks cute all together, because this will be a fail of a pampering video and I won't even post it. And then another thing, I have glasses on, so like the corner was so hard to do, and it's just so hard to slick your hair like with these nails. Like these nails are so freaking hard to do anything with. Oh my gosh, why am I gonna wait to do these nails? So we're gonna make them shorter. Okay, I think I'm gonna cut them down to like right here, because they look nice, but I'm struggling to do my hair right now. Yeah, I like the pre-stretch hair. I gotta show you guys. I got it from Sam's Beauty, that online place. That's how beauty supplies are closed. I'm just gonna part it, how I part the other side. And that's another thing. I can't even, oh my freaking oh, this is hard. This is so hard. I think this is gonna be cute though. Like, yeah, this part ain't the perfect fit. Ain't that perfect, but the style is kind of fire. Well, let me like try to do it with my finger. waving up. I don't know, was I supposed to stretch it when I was doing it? Not sure, but it is what it is. This is the hair. It's already pre-stretched, so I didn't have to do that anymore. It's Ultra Gray 3X 42-inch expressions, Ultra hair, 1B, and this was $4. I got 2 packs of these. I'm still on my first bundle. Okay, I figured it out. Ears twisting outwards still. Just pop that upward. So I'm gonna try to show you one more time because it's a lot of pressure on the camera, you know. I ain't fresh. I just do everything myself. So you see my hair? My nail keep getting caught right there. So don't ask me how to do your hair, cause I don't know how. Just that way. Make me mad because it's making this harder than what it has to be. Let's see. I can't see, but I wanted to see how they look. See that one? That one needs to be done over. My hair is so thin right there, I kind of don't even know if I should even, I don't know what to do there. See, it's so thin. So I'm gonna do another layer. Oh, those can come forward too, right? To cover that spot, because that spot looks rough. Yours is so hard, like so hard. So hey guys, so I am coming up to like maybe a couple days later, well the next day. I have on magnetic lashes because I had to take those other ones off, even though they were hard and I was pulling out my lashes. But I was breaking out. Even though the stuff I got was for sensitive skin, I was breaking out all over it, and I still tried to continue to do it, and it's not gonna work out. My skin is super sensitive, so yeah.
Forgot what I did. I ain't smoking on no mid. Exotic with the shit. Real ass bitch, you would live. So do I have to be louder?
This shit 400 degrees.
Knock, knock, bitch, I'm at your door. Get you pop, pop. On my son, bitch, I'm the shit. It don't stop, stop. This shit hot, hot. Ain't no thought. You a op, op. Got a lot of money. Give a fuck about what you got.
Give a fuck about what you bought, nigga. It ain't about a knot. At your front door, just like dominoes, or like we got the cops. Open up, I know you know what's up. Soon as it unlock, bang, bang, bang. Hit your brain, call me Pops, nigga.
Knock you off your socks, nigga. Yeah, I'm about this shit. Said your nigga, he keep calling, claim he wanna have my kid.
I been tweaking off a lot, nigga. Yeah, I'm off the shits. I got too high off the runs last night and forgot what I did.
I ain't smoking on no mid. Exotic with the shit. Real ass bitch, you would live. You should really fucking quit.
I was tryna chase this paper, I ain't care about what you said. I take the lead, you take this lid. Think it's sweet, we on your head.
Knock, knock, bitch, I'm at your door. Get you pop, pop. Knock, knock, bitch, I'm at your door. Get you pop, pop. Knock, knock, bitch, I'm at your door. Get you pop, pop. Knock, knock, bitch, I'm at your door. Get you pop.